What's the biggest concern right now? Is it just more regulations coming? Is this why we're continue to see the sell-off?
There have been a couple of big regulatory question marks coming up. All over the world, you have regulators, including in the U.S., starting to send subpoenas, starting to ask some tough questions about some of the big problems that we've seen in Bitcoin recently. And on top of that, you have big banks and credit card issuers putting freezes on buying cryptocurrencies.
Now that is as simple as it looks, right? Banks don't want, their default rates going up, especially for credit cards or their delinquencies, and so they are not prepared to allow somebody gamble on Bitcoin.
I think it appears that there's a general feeling that it could be too risky to allow credit card users to buy on credit cryptocurrencies, especially maybe some that are a little bit more suspect or a little bit less well known, or to, for example, buy a stake in an ICO that could turn out to be fraudulent, and someone could call their credit card company and say that was a fraudulent, that turned out to be a fraud.
The chart 3665, guys, actually showing you that this fall of about 60% from its all-time high back in December is not really the most that it's fallen in the past. It's just one of many sell-offs that the Bitcoin has seen, and yet each time that it sold off, we saw the prices recover. So what are analysts saying right now? Could we see another bounce back of this magnitude? What are investors saying?
That's true. It's an important point that you've had much larger sell-offs than these. It's just this one's particularly alarming because there was such a rally in December that we saw, and now it's been a dramatic turn down in the new year.